gonna do some peanut butter cracker.
My friend.
614.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another banger, bruh. As you guys could tell, not the usual intro, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Your boy just got out the gym, so yeah, right now we're gonna head back home. Hopefully we don't get too much traffic because it is Super Bowl weekend, bruh, but let's do this. Hopefully nobody's on the road yet. But we are in the Bay Area, and like I said, Super Bowl weekend, so might be pretty bad out here right now. I don't know if you guys could tell, but we're right here by Avaya Stadium, or I guess now it's called PayPal Park, home of the San Jose Quakes. So pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see the view from there. It might be a little dark right now, but let me shut up and let's do this drive. I'll let you guys hear the car out. Speaking about the Super Bowl, bruh, I don't know who I'm going for this time. Hopefully we get a good game, but I'm not really rooting for any of the teams. I'm a Seahawks hater, bruh. The Seahawks, I do not want them to take it. But at the same time, if the Patriots take it, that would be a little greedy, bruh. They already have too many Super Bowls. So for the sake of the league, I wouldn't want them to win. But at the same time, I can't stand the Seahawks either, bruh. I just know their fans are gonna be obnoxious as hell. And don't even get me started on the halftime show. I'm just kidding. I don't want to start anything with anybody, but yeah. You guys let me know in the comments down below who you guys are going for. I'm trying to see, do I have some Seahawks fans that are subscribed to me? Any Seahawks supporters? Or are you guys rooting for the boy Drake May? Y'all let me know. The boys playing some E40 and this guy cut me off. Trying to get some space right here so I can give you guys a little pool, but It's looking kind of rough. Hopefully once we get on the freeway, we can have a little more fun. Also, there is a little, my bad. There is a lot of cops around this area, especially during this time. So that's why I'm taking it kind of easy around here. Let's go this way. I'm not 100% sure where I'm supposed to go, but I guess we'll find our way home one way or another. We do have new tires on the car right now, so we could get a little more crazy, a little more funky with the driving. I was starting to get a little scared and nervous just because we were sliding everywhere in the past couple of videos, bruh. Let's go, let's get on the freeway. We gotta merge in here, but I think this car's gonna merge too. Gosh, bro, something about that supercharger whine just never gets old. Sometimes I think like, oh, I wish I could play some music during these POVs, but bro, that supercharger whine is unbeatable. I don't know about you guys, but I don't get tired of it. guys, we are getting pretty close to home. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find a spot to park up at and finish this video off for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But it's not over yet. It's not over yet. I don't know what I just ran over, but that did not feel too good. Let's see if we could go into this parking garage back here. Hopefully it's still open. I don't know if they lock it up, but we'll see right now. Maybe we'll even park up here in front of this, whatever this is. Bro, this plaza right here has like so much stuff to do, but to be honest, I've never been in here like to try the restaurants or the drinks and stuff. I've heard they have really good stuff to try here. So if you guys want to see me try something out here, let me know. And if you guys don't want to see me try anything out here, then I'm coming either way, but I'm just coming off camera. But if you guys don't know, the area I live in is considered Little Saigon. I don't want to sound uneducated, but I think that's somewhere in Vietnam. I don't know. Maybe China or Vietnam, bro. If I'm wrong, don't come after me. But they do have a bunch of like pho places, boba places, a bunch of places where you could try teas and stuff. So me personally, I think that'd be pretty cool. Alright, bro, let's see if we could get into that parking garage, just so I could give you guys a little bit more of the V, show you guys the outside, and we'll end this video off. It says do not enter, chat. What should I do? Imagine I come in here and I see like a secret meeting or something, like some mafia bosses doing something that I shouldn't be watching. Alright, bro, I think I found my spot right here. Let's try to film this quick before we get kicked out. Cause somebody probably got alerted already that we're in here. Damn, it's hella quiet out here. But yeah, look at my baby, guys. Hopefully it's not too dark in here. But yeah, bro, I do not get tired of seeing this thing. It never gets old. I've said it once and I'll say it again. If you guys get the opportunity to buy one of these CTS Vs, bro, you better pull that trigger and do it. These things are so sick. Alright, bro, but that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, bruh. Late.